Imagine a world where towering mountains reach for the sky, cascading waterfalls plunge into crystal-clear pools, and pristine coral reefs teem with life. This is the world of nature's wonders, and it is a world of unparalleled beauty and wonder. From the frozen landscapes of the Arctic to the lush rainforests of the Amazon, nature's wonders can be found in every corner of the globe. Each one is unique and awe-inspiring, offering a glimpse into the power and beauty of the natural world. In this video, we will explore the 10 most breathtaking natural wonders in the world. We will learn about their unique features, what makes them so special, and how visitors can experience these amazing places. A massive canyon carved by a river over millions of years. This natural wonder is one of the most iconic natural wonders in the world. It is over a mile deep and 18 miles wide, and it stretches for over 270 miles. The canyon's walls are made up of layers of rock that were deposited over millions of years. The oldest rocks at the bottom of the canyon are over 2 billion years old. This natural wonder is a testament to the power and beauty of nature. It is also home to a variety of plants and animals, and it is an important cultural site for the Native American tribes that have lived in the region for centuries. Visitors to this natural wonder can hike, raft, or take a helicopter tour to experience its stunning beauty. There are also a number of scenic viewpoints where visitors can take in the breathtaking views. A vast coral reef system teeming with marine life. This natural wonder is the world's largest coral reef system. It is over 2,300 miles long and covers an area of over 134,000 square miles. The reef is made up of over 2,900 individual reefs and 900 islands. This natural wonder is home to an incredible diversity of marine life. It is estimated that over 1,500 species of fish, 401 species of hard coral, and 134 species of sharks and rays live on the reef. The reef is also home to a variety of other marine creatures, such as dolphins, turtles, and dugongs. Visitors to this natural wonder can snorkel or dive to see the colorful coral formations and marine life. They can also take a glass-bottom boat tour or go on a helicopter tour to get a bird's-eye view of the reef, a mesmerizing natural light display in the night sky. This natural wonder is a natural light display that can be seen in the night sky in the Arctic and subarctic regions. The lights are caused by the interaction of charged particles from the sun with the Earth's atmosphere. This natural wonder is a truly mesmerizing sight. The lights can appear in a variety of colors, including green, blue, purple, and red. The lights often dance and swirl across the sky, creating a breathtaking display. The best way to see this natural wonder is to travel to a remote location in the Arctic or subarctic regions. This will give you the best chance of seeing the lights without any light pollution. A towering waterfall that plunges into a crystal-clear pool. This natural wonder is a towering waterfall that plunges into a crystal-clear pool. The waterfall is over 350 feet tall and is one of the largest waterfalls in the world. This natural wonder is a testament to the power and beauty of nature. The waterfall is also home to a variety of plants and animals, and it is an important cultural site for the indigenous people who have lived in the region for centuries. A pristine rainforest that is home to an incredible diversity of plants and animals. This natural wonder is a pristine rainforest that is home to an incredible diversity of plants and animals. The rainforest is estimated to contain over 10% of the world's known plant and animal species. This natural wonder is a vital part of the Earth's ecosystem. It helps to regulate the climate, produce oxygen, and filter water. The rainforest is also home to many indigenous peoples who have lived in harmony with the rainforest for centuries. Visitors to this natural wonder can take a jungle tour to see wildlife such as monkeys, snakes, and caimans. They can also learn about the rainforest's rich culture and history, a majestic mountain range that reaches for the sky. This natural wonder is a majestic mountain range that reaches for the sky. The tallest mountain in the range is over 29,000 feet tall. This natural wonder is a testament to the power and beauty of nature. The mountains are home to a variety of plants and animals, and they play an important role in the global climate system. Visitors to this natural wonder can go hiking, camping, or skiing in the mountains. They can also take a helicopter tour to get a bird's-eye view of the range, a geothermal wonderland of geysers, hot springs, and fumaroles. This natural wonder is a geothermal wonderland of geysers, hot springs, and fumaroles. It is a place where the Earth's heat rises to the surface, creating a variety of natural wonders. This natural wonder is a testament to the power and beauty of nature. It is also an important part of the Earth's ecosystem. The geothermal activity helps to regulate the global climate and provides habitat for a variety of plants and animals. Visitors to this natural wonder can go hiking, camping, or bathing in the hot springs. They can also take a guided tour to learn more about the geothermal activity and the surrounding environment, a mysterious cave system with stunning stalagmites and stalactites. This natural wonder is a mysterious cave system with stunning stalagmites and stalactites. The caves were formed over millions of years by the erosion of limestone. This natural wonder is a testament to the power and beauty of nature. It is also a place of great mystery and intrigue. Visitors to this natural wonder can take a guided tour of the caves. They can also go spelunking to explore the more remote parts of the cave system. These are just a few of the many breathtaking natural wonders that adorn our planet. From the towering peaks of the Himalayas to the cascading waters of Niagara Falls, nature's wonders offer something for everyone to marvel at. Next time you are feeling lost or in need of inspiration, take a moment to appreciate the beauty of the natural world. Visit a nearby park, forest, or beach and soak up the fresh air and sunshine. You may be surprised at how much better you feel. We should all be grateful for the natural wonders of the world. They are a precious gift that we must cherish and protect.